Thought I'd just do a quick update on FANG and Apple while I've been away, just so that we've got a clear head on ourselves for what this can mean for the Nasdaq. Just starting off with Amazon, had the massive reversal of the UFO and a time continuation. It closed below the third deviation pivot down to the negative signal, and we've come down, and at the beginning of last week we had a pops buy, just popped above that weekly level, and we've extended higher. So 951 is the key level there. If I go intraday, we have 936.33 as the half day level and the 360 minute level, so that's that red and brown line. Just going to return to the daily because there is something that is important there that I neglected to tell you about, and that is the monthly line. So if we don't make new highs in September, then this monthly level is going to move to the top and join the weekly, so that will create a formidable barrier. Different story on Apple. We had the monthly level move to the top, then we had the day of their results. It's the next day, so we had to wait, and we've pretty much held this area of support. We've had one buy as a continuation, and we've got a 156.65 down to 155.11 is the critical support. Obviously there is no resistance at the moment. Moving on to Google, a similar sort of picture really. We had a buy signal at minor support beginning of last week. The weekly is at the top at 175.49, and the monthly is going to go there as well if we don't make new highs. So a similar scenario to Amazon there. Now on to Netflix. Again, the weekly move to the top. That was the day of results where you got a power play buy, big gap higher, then we've had a slam dunk back the other way. Had a minor buy signal at daily support. Weekly has risen to 164.23, but again, the monthly will move to the top. So it actually feels it's going to be the end of the quarter as well. So the end of September is increasingly looking important if none of these highs on these stocks are actually taken out this month. Finally, Google. Google is actually the weakest of all of them because the monthly moved to the top at the end of August, joining the weekly. And what is also going to happen if we don't make new lows is the monthly is going to move up to 915. So Google's going to suddenly get condensed. That's going to jump from 743. Thing to remember there is if we do take out this low at 915.31, that monthly line will move back down and suddenly open up space. So Google is definitely the poor relation.